as we said, as a heart. This is the nearest point to the airport, as you mentioned. So whatever comes from the airport, we just receive it, and also to the seaport. And during our journey to the Rafah, you can see that we are connected to the ring road. So this is the fastest route to Rafah. So we choose this one as a heart of the operation. So it's make us fast as we can to cover all the challenges or the logistics challenges that we may face in the future, and also connected to the other 6 warehouses in El Aish. Here, 6 warehouses is equal to 100,000 square meters full of material item. Alhamdulillah, most of them is available to enter. Some of them still need your advocacy for permission from the other side, and we are going to see part of them, and this part is not يعني مش قريب يعني.
No, well, this is why I'm here, Chairman. We're extremely concerned by the fact that there are people dying because they cannot get access to this life-saving aid. There are blockages being put in your way and stopping you from doing exactly what you need to do. So Ireland will use our voice in every way that we can to try and highlight this, but to push for more openings and to push for you to be able to do more of what you're doing.